Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya ialah Asmira Minta Jufri. Nombor matrik ialah 14 DKN 19F1052. Okey, hari ini saya nak bentangkan tajuk lab 1 iaitu force vector. Okey, objektif untuk force vector ini ialah to experiment, verify the triangle, construction or parallelogram, law of vector addition by using force table. Okay, and second, to understand basic concept of force vector, and then to draw the force vector diagram, and then to find and analyze the resultant force and direction from force diagram. Introduction for force vector. Of a variety of quantities that are used to describe the physical quantities, for example, distance, displacement, and speed. Other than that, it also have a scalar quantities, for example, to describe by its magnitude. The equipment or apparatus for this lab: first, force table. This function to adjust the direction of the three force, make measurement of an amount of force in each, determine the vector sum of the three forces. Second, pulley. Function this pulley is to support movement and change of direction of a taut cable or belt, or transfer of power between the shaft and cable or belt. Third, weight hanger. This function is to quickly create any desired amount of mass to use in experiment involving force, acceleration, and mass. Fourth, string. To return the length of a string literal. And lastly is protector, is to measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or metal for measuring angles. Okay, for procedure of this lab, first step, set up apparatus and material in table. For example, first table, slotted weight and weight hanger. Second step, hanging the right weight for each angle given. Third step, circle the direction force and direction force value. And then step 4, record the data at the result at table 1. Make 3 times to get a confirmed answer. Next step, repeat the experiment with data given on table 2. And 6th step, calculate resultant at data step 4 and 5. And lastly, make a perfect result and data analysis to get a perfect answer. Okay, now this is the result. This force. Okay, the mass has a given, so we must find the weight of force. Angle also has given, and angle action just certified here. Okay, so how to find the weight of force? Okay, mass this, you must direct with 9.81. For example, this one 110 and 9.81. So you can get, for example, you can get for this 110 and 9. So you get 1079. Okay, don't forget to put this unit. Okay, next, SEM 90 9.81. So you get 2.9 Newton, and also this 70 9.81, and you get 6.7 Newton. That's all. So table 2, just do it same at table 1. Okay, next we go to part calculation or data analysis. Okay, this force, the answer that table 1 and table 2 you get. Okay, just copy this, and then X and Y. Okay, X ni you must remember this is cos, and then Y is sin. You must remember this X and Y. So this is cos and this is sin. Okay, you just put there this answer cos 120. This is angle that table 1. Refer that table 1 Okay, this is the angle at table 1. So first one 120, and then this one you just copy and put this calculation only, and you calculation how the data analysis get. Okay, and you calculation how the data analysis get. Okay, from the questions, so I have some discussions. For example, first, the vector represents by the arrow where the directions of the arrow magnitude of the vector. Other than that, in directed vector for a long time. For example, have a two negative axis by a circle which acts in it. Okay, conclusion for this lab is can verify the triangle constructions or parallelogram law of vector addition by using force table. Second, can understand the basic concept of force. And third, can draw the first vector diagram. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.